We all know the struggle of lengthy videos and thumbnail dilemmas, but fear not. Today, we unveil a lineup of AI tools that are about to revolutionize your content game. Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of sifting through lengthy YouTube videos or spending hours on editing tasks, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools that are here to transform the way you create and manage your YouTube content. Let's get right into the video. Number 1. Get Video Summary. Kicking things off is a tool that's about to change the game for your video watching routine. Meet Get Video Summary by DVD VideoSoft. Imagine waving goodbye to watching entire videos when all you need are the main highlights. With the power of the latest GPT AI model, this tool transforms those lengthy videos into concise, insightful summaries in just a mere 2 seconds. All you have to do is paste the video URL, and the AI handles the rest, from content analysis to a brief overview. The best part? No registration required. Say hello to saving precious time and hello to engaging summaries. Number 2. Short. Ever wished you could magically turn those long videos into eye-catching, attention-grabbing shorts? Well, Too Short has got your back. Paste your video URL and watch as it extracts the most exciting moments from your content. But that's not all. You can customize these shorts with subtitles and layers, adding your unique touch. And hey, don't worry about limitations. While the free plan offers 15 minutes of analysis per month, the paid plans unlock even more features for your creative endeavors. Number 3. Crucible. Let's talk about Crucible, the AI website that's your one-stop shop for content conversion. Turning your YouTube videos into blog posts or engaging social media content has never been easier. Just paste the video URL, choose your desired content type, whether it's a Twitter thread, a blog post, or a chat, and let the AI weave its magic. You can even toss in specific instructions for a personal touch. The result? Quality content, titles, and subtitles ready to be shared with the world. Number 4. Thumbnail AI. Introducing Thumbnail AI, your partner in creating visually captivating thumbnails. No more settling for generic visuals. With this tool, you're the designer. Type in your video title, add a keyword for an image, and witness the creation of a thumbnail that stands out. From text style to background, and even the option to start from scratch, Thumbnail AI puts the creative control right in your hands. Number 5. Rask. The AI-powered subtitle generator. This tool brings an end to language barriers. Sign up, paste your YouTube link, and choose your project details. Rask's AI detects the language and works its magic, generating subtitles in your preferred tongue. The flexibility to edit the results gives you the ultimate control. The free plan covers up to 4 minutes of video, while the pro plan offers extended duration and advanced features, ensuring your videos reach a global audience. And there you have it, our top 5 AI tools for YouTube that you absolutely must try. Whether you're craving summaries, snappy shorts, dynamic content, stunning thumbnails, or seamless subtitles, these tools have got your back. Imagine the possibilities when technology joins forces with creativity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content like this. Until next time. See you in the next one.